Good morning!
So guys, we're going to
Japan.
Tokyo, Japan today with the family. So ayan na sila.
Sila ama ang
With Ama and Angkong, and we're gonna meet Rester's family. So sad
Rester's
because
sister.
Rester's sister's family. Sila Ann and Dawn. And then sayang because supposedly sila Jean, Rester's other sister is coming.
Pero
Pero na-operahan siya last Saturday. So, kami na lang. So, now, it's 4:16 in the morning.
The flight is
And our flight?
8:30.
And the lounge opens at 6 o'clock.
Open na yata.
Open na ba?
Oo.
Sige. So,
24
sana maka-check-in na tayo para makarelax sa loob. Ayan. So, konti lang ang
See you
tao
later.
actually dito sa Cebu. So, medyo relax dito pag dito kayo galing. Wala masyadong mga flights kasi. Ayan. So guys, ito, ganito kaluwang dito. Wala masyado tao. Sayang ang actually ang airport. Kasi wala masyadong flights dito from Cebu. Dahil sabi nila merong bag switch. So we need to take a video of our luggage.
Oo. So, tapos na kami mag-check-in.
Ay, nakabayad na rin ng
Travel tax. So don't forget your e-travel QR codes on the Philippine side. In the Japan side, you have to go to the Visit Japan website and also get a QR code as you will present it upon entry. So of course, you need a Japan visa as a Filipino to enter Tokyo.
And then how much is again the travel tax?
1.7 more or less.
And then for kids, it's 50.
Below 12 years old, 50% off.
Well, may ba dito senior?
Wala. No PWD, no senior discount. Welcome to the Philippines.
So, ito yung lounge dito, guys. The Plaza Premium Lounge and Mabuhay Lounge. So, we're gonna use our priority pass. Then, other credit cards, you can use your other credit cards. Here at the lounge, it depends on your car or your bank. So, nandito na tayo sa lounge. So, ito yung food sa lounge. You can order noodles with ramen and sotanghon. And then, there's rice. There is humba and macaroni. Ay, mushroom macaroni. Kasi nakalagay, Big Mac nakalagay. Tapos, fish escabeche and chicken stew caldereta and congee. I think magko-congee ako. Yan. And then there's salad, fruits, and then there's cookie. There's, ano ba ito? Brownie? Or chocolate, tinapay, juice, and buttered corn and banana cue.
So this is our boarding gate, gate 20. Wala pa. And at least the plane is already here. Looks like an A300 series Airbus. So it's always a comfort to see your plane waiting for you before boarding.
Hi guys, so boarding na kami. On time ang flight and it's now 7:43 and we're now boarding. Ayan. Sabi kanina, business class, so nag-aantay lang kami sa side. Tapos biglang pumila na lahat. So yan, pumila na rin kami. This is our airplane. Hi guys, nag-serve na sila ng food and ang food is chicken curry and pork longganisa. So I ordered pork longganisa. parang 30 minutes after we took off or 40 minutes, they started serving. And walang TV, so meron lang in-flight entertainment. Wala na silang in-flight. Wala na yung MyPal apps. You just need to connect to their internet and then sa browser. So I'm just watching Zootopia. We all ate already. Ayan, relaxing. Medyo maluwang. Hindi full yung flight. So, medyo malawang. Katabi ko lang si Raquel. Ayan, natutulog na. Okay, see you later in Japan. Hi guys, so dumating na kami. It's now 12:45 lang? Ang aga lagi. 12:45 pa lang ang aga. So, okay naman yung flight. Medyo may turbulence. And now we're going to get our luggage and immigration. So guys, we just got our luggages. So remember lang, when you arrive, you should prepare your QR in immigration. Hahanapin nila yon, your travel and immigration. And then, remember not to bring meat, fruits, and any deli products or else may penalty. Meron din asong umiikot-ikot. So, be careful in bringing meats and fruits. Kasi baka maamoy ng dog and then there's a penalty of how much? 300,000 yen. Yeah, and then sa going outside, there's also customs declaration, which I think QR din. Ayan, you also need QR. And then other than that, everything is a breeze going out. Wala rin naman masyadong tinanong sa immigration. So guys, nag-book na lang kami ng private transfers through Klook kasi medyo maraming bagahe. This is good for 10 people. So guys, dito na kami sa hotel. Our hotel is Karaksa Hotel. May parade sa labas. Okay, tingnan natin yung parade sa labas, Raquel. Ayan, ewan ko ano yung parade. Sunday kasi ngayon. So, this is our hotel. Karaksa Hotel Colors. It's near Tokyo Station. Medyo malabo lang yung booking kasi sabi may hotel when we book. And then, dito naman sa check-in, sabi only one guest has breakfast. We need to pay for the other 4. And we're 5. So, we'd rather just eat outside. Bibili na lang tayo sa konbini. Marami naman konbini. Ayan, ito yung labas ng hotel.
Hello! So we're now exploring what's outside the hotel.
So it's now
It's now 4:07.
4:07 ba? 4:30. So relax lang tayo today.
Oh.
Magdi-dinner lang
And
with the
looking
gang.
for food.
Ayan, ayan na.
Ayan
Ayan ang
sila.
mga cousins.
Oo. Gutom na.
Ayan,
And
ang
may guide
natin.
kami.
Si Uncle Don.
Oo. From China.
Oh, bibilan daw sila ng toys ni Uncle Don.
Kasama kami.
Ganyan talaga, masaya talaga kasama si Uncle Don eh. Kasi laging may libreng toys.
So we're gonna look for Ishinoya now.
So mag-dinner muna, early dinner, and then ikot-ikot. So the location of our hotel is in Nihonbashi. It's near
Ginza, near Tokyo Station. A walk away from Akihabara.
Halay!
Shibuya Market.
Nakalimutan natin room tour. Later, mag-room tour tayo.
Okay, bye-bye.
Maganda yung room, actually. So, ito yung mga cousins. Yung sister ni Rester also has 3 kids. So, yan, partner sila, Rhea and Reese. And then the 2 babies, Raquel and Renoa.
Pakilala mo si Manang, baka ma-discover.
Ayan, si Manang.
Parang yung mga tarpaulin sa atin ng mga San Miguel. Diba?
Okay, may sponsor pa.
Ngayon nagbebenta ng beer, tapos tapon mo doon.
Oh, ano kaya yung festival? Parang naka-sexy shorts sila.
Sige, na yung lalaki. Parang suot niya to.
So dito nila napiling kumain sa Yoshinoya. The most convenient and fast way of eating. Masarap ang Yoshinoya sa Japan compared sa Manila. Yun lang, may step na malaki dito. So guys, after dinner, we are going to the
Picture ko.
Pokemon store in Takashiyama Mall.
Picture kayo ni Raquel.
Picture daw muna. So, we're here at the Pokemon store. Magtitingin-tingin daw ang mga bata. Bibili daw si Uncle Don. Sino yan?
Kilala. Di ko din to kilala.
Mga snacks. 3,850. Mga keychain. It's 1,540. Which one is your favorite? Kasi Eevee. Kuha na. 5,000 yen each child. Oh, go. Sabi ni Uncle Don. Ito, 1,600, 1,320. Iba-iba, depende sa character. 1,540. May mga wallets. Baka ayaw naman niya yan. May mga wallet. Useful stuff. Raquel, do you like Pokemon? Hala, nagustuhan ko to. Wall sticker clock. 3,880 yen. Ikaw, do you like that, Raquel?
Where do I get basket?
Ayan yung sa likod mo.
Okay.
There's a wallet. Raquel, look oh, may wallet.
Hold it now?
Oh, hold. Share na kayo ng basket.
Okay, bye-bye.
Raquel, how about a wallet? It's 4,400. And the coin purse. Ito, 1,980. Neck pillow is 5,280. Masaya sila. Nabili na nila yung gusto nila. Thank you to Twai and Uncle Don. So it's 5 daw per person. So we are 5. So Uncle Don will get 30. 25 pala. 5 times 5. Daming tao. Haba ng pila. Pagbayad. And they're paying there on the other side. Sila tuwain. Yan, happy na sila. Malaking supot. Patingin nga. Open mo. No, the inside. Mga pinamili ng mga bata. Thank you to Uncle Don and Tuai. Hello, guys. So, room tour muna tayo. So, from the door, ito yung room namin. Ano pangalan ng room natin, Bims? Quadruple family. Single bed. So, first, ito yung TV. And then, may ref. And then, nagulo na siya. Pero meron yan coffee, tea. And then, there's 4 single beds with pajamas. Ayan. And then, wala siyang closet. Meron lang siyang hangers. And then, full body mirror. Meron siyang ito sa taas. Projector, no? Iko-connect mo yung cellphone. So, try natin mamaya. And then, this is the CR. Separate siya sa shower. Ito. Dito yung shower. And sink. And this is the shower. Malaki siya. There's free conditioner, body soap, and shampoo. Ayan, sa likod. And ito yung favorite part ko sa hotel. Meron siyang washing machine! Yay! Hindi na tayo maglalaba. At mayroon siyang detergent 1 pack per day. Yay! Okay. It's a nice hotel. But not all rooms have washing machines kasi dun sa sister ni Rester, walang washing machine. And our parents, walang washing machine. And, yan, may sala. And then, minove lang namin yung bed para dikit-dikit. Kasi we're 5 and there's only 4 single beds. It's spacious. Yeah. So guys, dito sa second floor ng hotel, meron mga complimentary snacks. There's quiche. As long as you have paid for your breakfast, you can get anytime. Ayan, from afternoon at to 8 o'clock, available siya. You can just get rice cracker, mochi candy, Codea milk chocolate almond, popping candy. Itong wafer, masarap to. Wafer chocolate matcha, strawberry, pickled seafood, snack carpas, rice crackers, and biscuits. Then they also have, kung gusto nyong kumain, meron din microwave, oven toaster, pwede bumili sa konbini. And then, there's color sake selection. I think they're gonna give you an alcohol card. And there's also juice.
Tap and hold.
Ayan, meron. Masarap to. Sweet honey tea, rooibos, apple tea, Earl Grey, and chamomile. Uy, may chamomile. And then there's also coffee. Uy, parang nag-ano siya, nagki-cleaning pala. So there's cocoa, iced latte, iced cocoa, coffee, iced coffee, at water for the tea, and espresso. Diba? Very convenient. 30,000 pesos?
Let's check the value.
Grabe, nag-unboxing na sila. That's 30,000 pesos?
Yeah, this is like 20,000.
4,500.
What?
So, sulit ka na.
So, saan mo chine-check? Saan mo chine-check?
Collector app.
You got some.
Or meron ka?
May naman ako sa Manila. Nice one!
What's that?
Oh, careful!
Careful, bro!
IR. Is that SIR?